Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best wheelchair wheel covers on the market. The 2PC's wheelchair tire covers designed for 24-inch tires. Whether you're a full-time wheelchair user or someone who values keeping your home clean, these covers might just be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Let's dive into what makes them stand out. These tire covers are purpose-built for wheelchair users who are constantly on the move, especially those who transition between outdoor and indoor environments. That's where these covers shine. Made from soft, durable felt cloth on the outside, these wheel covers are both flexible and functional. They slide easily over 24-inch wheelchair wheels, creating a barrier between the tires and your floors. And they're not just about cleanliness, they're also about peace of mind. You no longer have to worry about scratching up wood floors or leaving black tire streaks on your carpet. Installation is quick and doesn't require any extra help. That's especially important for independent users. You can stretch the covers around the wheels easily by yourself. They're designed to grip tightly and securely, thanks to a specialized inner lining that prevents them from slipping off while the chair is in motion. Even more importantly, they don't interfere with the movement of your chair. Some wheel covers can be bulky or add unnecessary friction. But this design prioritizes mobility. You'll still have smooth rides across different surfaces, just without the mess that typically follows. The product comes as a set of two, one for each large rear wheel, and they're tailored specifically for 24-inch wheels. Make sure your wheelchair fits that spec to ensure a snug and effective fit. And here's another benefit: noise reduction. If you've ever wheeled over hardwood or tile floors and cringed at the squeaky, screeching sound, you'll appreciate how these covers dampen that noise significantly. In a world where accessibility and convenience should go hand in hand, this product offers a practical, thoughtful solution for wheelchair users. Clean floors, quiet rides, and hassle-free installation, all packed into a simple yet effective accessory. If you're interested in learning more, check out the product listing linked in the description below. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If this helped you discover something useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more practical product breakdowns. Thanks for watching. See you next time.